dates to 17th of July 2023. We have from this here before it's Metsänneidonkuja 6 or
Yes.
Spectri-duo and Spectri Business Park here in Pohjois-Tapiola, northern Espoo, Espoo region, Finland. Also filmed here before. And this one was also pretty original. This one before also the design also. About 6 floors. And it was built in 1994, and it's in 2023 in a serial bus H67753. The capacity is 8 persons or 600 grams and 1 ride is enough.
Yeah.
But you can watch the video when both are original.
Yeah.
We'll be expecting in 2025. Very beautiful atriums.
Yeah. Inspected by Kone, maintained by Kone.
Yes. 1994 on the door also.
Yeah.
It was late 1994.
Yeah.
Nice intervention.
Yeah.
Maybe a last ride.
Yeah.
Next December is A67754. Originally Bobby had the black bumpers also.
Mm.
This is late 1994 because the others were finished in 1995 to 97.
Yeah.
And the one older is from 1990, but we filmed it also.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we didn't get the 1990, but before the modernization.
Yeah.
It was with this and we
That's